Good morning, my lovely students. Miss you so much. I hope we can see each other again soon, inshallah. But please, until we see each other, please stay safe and stay at home. Don't go out as much as you can. Today we're gonna start again about triangles, but we're gonna take a new part. Last couple of days we covered the how to classify or how to identify the triangles based on or according to their length of their sides. Today we're gonna classify triangles based on the measure of the angles. Let's see how can we classify the triangles by the measure of the angles. You know, as we know previously that between two lines, this is a straight line and this is a straight line, we call this small part an angle. The angle, it's inside two lines, okay, meeting at one point. They make angle inside these two lines, okay. So this is an angle, this is also an angle, and this is an angle. So any triangle has three angles inside this triangle. Because I have three sides, so these three sides can obtain three angles. This is an angle here, this is an angle, and here another angle. Where two sides or where two line segments or straight lines intersect each other at a point, they create an angle inside. Right. So how can we classify the triangles based on the measure of their angles? Okay, here the angles, here the triangle where each angle less than all the angles inside the triangle, each angle of them is less than 90, we call this triangle an acute angled triangle, okay. Let's see an example first of what is the acute angled triangle and then go back to the other next type. Here, for example, this is an angle. We agreed that we have every two lines intersect each other at a point. Inside they create an angle. Here, see, first angle is 45 degrees, second angle 80 degrees, third angle 55 degrees. Yani each of these angles is less than 90 degrees. يعني كل angle inside this triangle less than 90 degrees. يعني 45 is less than 90 degrees, 80 is less than 90 degrees, 55 is less than 90 degrees. So I can call this triangle an acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle because each angle inside this triangle is less than 90 degrees. Let's take another example. For example, you see this? Each angle is equals to 60 degrees. يعني angle D less than 90 degrees. This angle is less than 90 degrees, and this angle is also less than 90 degrees. So all the three angles, each one of them is less than 90 degrees. So I can call this triangle an acute angled triangle. Let's take another example. Here you see this angle, okay, is equals to 30 degrees. Of course 30 degrees is less than 90 degrees, or is less than 90. 30 is less than 90. Here this angle is also less than 80. It's 80, it's less than 90. Okay, and the third one, the third angle is equal to 70, which is less than 90. يعني each one of these angles, each one of them is less than, then each angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so I can call this triangle as an acute angled triangle. So here again, if I have a triangle where every angle, each angle is less than 90 degrees, each angle less than 90 degrees, so I can call this triangle an acute angled triangle. Okay, clear? Let's take the next type. The next type is called right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, what does it mean? يعني at least, no, not at least, one angle of this right angled triangle, one angle only one angle must be equal to 90 degrees. Must يعني one angle only لازم, it is a must to be equal to 90 degrees. one angle only. يعني the other two angles I don't care about them, بس at least one angle only should be or must be equal to 90 degrees. Let's take an example. Here, right angle triangle. See? Here, this 90 degree. يبقى as long as I have a triangle with one 90 degree, with one angle equal 90 degree, يبقى I can call this triangle one, and it should be equal to 90 degree. One angle only should be equal 90 degree. I don't care about the other two angles. Okay? يبقى here, in order to classify or to identify that this triangle is a right angle triangle, يبقى لازم, it's a must to have one angle only in this triangle equal to 90 degree. Equal to 90 degree. يعني here this angle equal to 90 degree, I can call this triangle a right angle triangle. Also here, this angle equal 90 degree, I can call this triangle a 90 degree or a right angle triangle. A right angled triangle. Okay, so here I have an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle يعني all the angles, each of the angles inside this triangle must be less than 90 degrees. Must be less than 90 degrees. What about the right angle? The right angle, one angle must be equal to 90 degrees inside a triangle. In order to call a triangle a right angle triangle, يعني it means I have to have inside this triangle one angle must be equal to 90 degrees. One angle must be equal to 90 degrees. This is the second type of classification of triangles according or based on their measure of their angles. The third one is called obtuse angled triangle. يعني first one is acute. It's coming from cute, as you all are cute for me. I miss you so much, by the way. As all the angles are small and cute. Remember, cute. It's acute. It's coming from cute, like you all cute and small. Okay, so this is an acute angled triangle. All angles must be less than 90 degrees. All the angles, each angle must be less than 90 degrees. What about the right angle triangle? The right angle triangle must have one angle equal 90 degrees. One angle equal 90 degrees. So what about the last type, اللي هو obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle triangle means I must have one angle of the three angles must be greater than 90 degrees. يعني one angle from the three angles must be greater than 90 degrees. It has to be greater than 90 degrees. Okay, let's take an example and see how will it work. Okay, here مثلا, for example, this triangle, I have this angle 110. Of course 110 is greater than 90 degrees, and the other two angles I don't care about them, but at least I have an angle greater than 90 degrees. I can call this triangle an obtuse angle triangle. Let's see this one. This angle equals 110, this 25 and this 45, but what I do care about is this angle, the 110. Now one of the main condition for calling this triangle an obtuse angle triangle, that it should have one angle greater than 90 degrees. One angle greater than 90 degrees, and of course 110 is greater than 90 degrees. Let's see the other one, the last one. Here, as we see, this triangle, this angle is equals to 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Of course, this angle is greater than 90 degrees. So I can call this triangle an obtuse angle triangle because it has an angle which is greater than 90 degrees. It has one angle greater than 90 degrees. Again, let's revise them again. I have an acute angle coming from cute, like you. I miss you so much. Remember that acute, it's coming from cute, where every angle in this triangle must be less than 90 degrees. يعني each angle inside this triangle must be less than 90 degrees. Okay. طيب what about the right angle triangle? Right, in this triangle one angle must be equal, one angle only must be equal, exactly equal to 90 degrees, exactly equal to 90 degrees. What about the obtuse angle? The obtuse angle triangle, one angle only in this triangle must be greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna finish our session till here, and tomorrow inshallah we're gonna continue what we have covered today. Take care of yourself, and inshallah we'll continue tomorrow. Miss you so much. Please stay safe and stay at home, and inshallah we're gonna meet soon, ya Rabbi, inshallah. Take care of yourself and have a great day.